wanted to get it right. Trying to find some balance in my life. I never really put up a fight.
Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lady Lori. So what do I have for you again today? Well, it's the same day, right? I don't know. You never know when these videos are going to go up, so it really doesn't matter. But you never waste a look. You record as many videos as you can when you do. When you do your face up, that's what me and Sass do. Actually, I make her do her videos before I do my face. Pisses her off. Anyway, you guys, that didn't sound good. This is the BoxyCharm for April. This is the premium. This one is $39.99 a month. They are month-to-month boxes, beauty boxes. Again, you get a card. On the back, you get a list of everything. Anything that's duplicated that was the same as hers, I will just skip. I'll let you know, but I'll skip it. Okay, we got a Michelin Peach. That's that body oil. This is also going to be going, it'll go in the bucket for the giveaway. The Bakuki oil. For the love of Pete and Jesus. I know this. Okay. I was about to do a sassy there. Anyway, this is the retinol. Goes in a giveaway. Oh, seriously, we got the Natasha Denona. I got 2 of them. Somebody is going to get lucky, I think. Let's do the rest of these, and then we're going to go back to this one. Did I get the lip balm? The hydrating lip balm. That is by Denona. The My Beauty brand and by me. Goes in a giveaway. And then the Dr. Brandt eye cream. Probably give this to my daughter, because now that we have 2, she's going to probably want one. My total, you guys, by the way, just so we can get into this, Natasha, it's right there. $311. Is it really? Oh, variation 201. Who cares? You know, does this one look a little darker? Oh my goodness, does this, are they different colors? Does this seem a little darker? And it does have, it's just settling, so don't panic if this is the one that goes in a give. I've already touched the other one. Sass did, we did. It's on our face. So this one right here is just settling marks. You know, when they press them in, it's just the settling marks. So after really in-depth inspection of the back with a magnifying glass, they are identical. There's not anything that says something different. So this is the one that I dipped my finger in. That's the one that's on my face right now. And this is the other one. They do look different, right? They do. But they're not. The batch number is different. That's the only thing that's different, is the batch number. So this will end up in a giveaway. So my entire box and everything except for the one Natasha Denona cream, the cream blush and the highlighter, will keep. And pretty much the rest of her box is going into a giveaway. So you guys, you're getting lucky. Anyway, that's everything for my BoxyCharm premium for the month of April, you guys. What do you think? I mean, I know that there's not a whole heck of a lot that you can comment on when it comes to the boxes that I receive, and then the box, also the account that I have for Sass. It really is just a second account. And the reason I do that is because I wanted to see if a different person's profile, a different type of individual, different hair color, eye color, skin tone, would get different stuff than what I didn't mess with my profile. I left my profile 100% the same. And I wanted to see, you know, do they give you stuff that's a little bit more personalized? And a lot of times, no. The only thing that I have noticed and I'm being very honest with you guys, is when it comes to the choices, because you do get 2 choices for the premium and you get 1 for the base. Now, the only thing, oh, and by the way, we canceled Luxe. I was done with the Luxe. But as I was saying, the only thing that I did notice, and it's also happening with IPSY, is when it's choice day and I go in to make the choices for the profile of me, there's products. When I go in and log in as SAS, totally different products. And that's it. But there might be 1 or 2 that are the same. And the other products, I don't want them. So we usually end up getting the same thing, but in a different shade. Now, if it's something that I know does not have a different shade, there's nothing about it, I will choose something completely different on the other account. So that's the only thing that's going on behind the scenes with myself and with my alter ego Sassy. So you guys let me know what you thought about the stuff in our box. Yeah, big whoop. I know it's duplicated, but I get to talk to you guys. You know what I mean? And I've missed that. I'm trying to bring myself up. Today was kind of a little bit another one of those days that kind of pulls and tugs at your heartstrings. We ordered this big huge canvas. It's like a 16 by 20 or 22, and it's a poem called Waiting by the Door, and it has a picture of her, and it arrived today. So putting it up on the wall and seeing it every time I go out in the living room, it's kind of like, you know, I'm afraid I'm going to start crying. But she's out there. She's being taken care of. She's resting. Anyway. All right, you guys. I'm going to get going. I've got my IPSYs. Sass has her IPSYs. And I don't know. I'm probably going to make her do a costume change. I will see you in my next video. Bye.